Today, I met a dog that was really excited to be here. This is Thor, and I've been told that he's an 8-month-old Newfoundland dog. After spending some time with him, I found that he had a temperament similar to that of a golden retriever. He's on the small side, although not yet fully grown, and he's missing the signature rear dew claws like the Newfoundland dog. I'm not convinced he isn't mixed, but whatever he sure is cute. At the beginning, Thor was doing very well, but stay tuned for the air tube of death. I bathed him in Griminator shampoo, and then I gave him a deep conditioning treatment. He has a gorgeous coat, and I can't wait to make it look even more shiny at the end of this groom. After his bath, I toweled him dry. He didn't willingly get on the table, so he had to be carried. For safety reasons, I placed him in a muzzle, and it also seemed to considerably calm him down. I love the basket muzzle because the natural movement of the dog's jaw is not restricted.
Good boy. See, it's not that bad. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. No. No. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, good boy. No. Shh. Do you want a treat? Good boy. Good boy. Boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Once he realized that I wasn't going to hurt him, he calmed down and let me complete my job without a problem. Before drying his head, I let him sniff the small dryer first. I kept the muzzle and the happy hoodie on him while doing his paws, because during the bath and the blow dry, he did give me some indication that he did not like having his paws touched.
Good boy. Hi, buddy. You're doing pretty good for a big scaredy cat.
I brushed him with my slicker brush, and then I went over him with my metal comb. The owners told me that he already blew his coat prior to the appointment, so he wasn't shedding much today. I sprayed him down in our Doggio Arfmani cologne, and this big goof is all finished. And apparently, after his appointment, all was forgiven.
Good boy. You're a big scaredy cat. Oh, okay. Oh.
Today, for our pet of the day, we have the darling Decker, the 4-year-old rescue. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the theatrical Thor.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Not so bad.